Welcome back, everybody. I'm high in Colorado's mountains, and I have the truck loaded with as many Blackstone Adventure Ready Griddles as I can fit. Let's do a general overview of the Blackstone Adventure Ready line. We're gonna take cover in the truck. I told ya, this is what it's like in the Rocky Mountains. You gotta be kidding me. Couple of things. I'm actually in the mountains. This is unscripted. Really windy today. Very high winds, so bear with me. You should be able to see Pikes Peak right up there. First things first, the Adventure Ready 28-inch griddle. Definitely use this griddle more than any other Adventure Ready griddle. And you've seen this in a lot of videos, all the way from the Gulf of Mexico, all the way up to central Texas, literally all the way up to northern Montana, just short of the Canadian border. A lot of adventures with the 28-inch Adventure Ready griddle. Full size 28-inch griddle. It has a nice bottom shelf, just like all the full-size 36 and 28-inch griddles. The legs collapse and latch together. A removable side shelf. And what I like most about the 28 Adventure Ready is that it has that full-size griddle feel to it. And these run off the larger propane tanks. Typically, I'd have a 20-pounder here, but I forgot my 20-pounder at home, and I only have a 5-pounder with me today. 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, so hopefully you can hear me. Up next, we have the 22-inch Adventure Ready Griddles, and there's probably the most options in the 22-inch size. This is a limited edition orange and black unit. The last several years, Blackstone has released multiple colors as part of Walmart's Christmas shopping and Black Friday sales. Standard black, this sweet orange version, gray, even desert tan. If you go back through my show archives, you'll see me cooking on all those colors. These models come with a hard cover for protection, and they also double as a grease splatter shield and added wind protection. Oh baby, the 22-inch Adventure Ready with flex fold legs. This one is a griddle engineering marvel, and you can wheel this bad boy around and take it just about anywhere. If you're used to that hood on the patio, you don't need to sacrifice. You can have a hood out in the field. Adventure Ready 22 with hood and flex fold legs. Adventure Ready 17-inch griddle with hard cover. The orange 22-inch that I showed you earlier and this one are called tabletops. They can set on tailgates, picnic tables, whatever. But I have this sitting on a special stand that fits both the 17-inch and the 22-inch tabletop griddles. I should also point out that all of these 17-inch and 22-inch griddles run off of a 1-pound propane canister or off of any larger bulk propane tank. Some people tell me they don't want to mess with the 1-pound propane canisters. You don't have to. You can use a 5, 10, 20, even a 30-pound propane canister. And the newest griddles in the Blackstone Adventure Ready griddle line, the 20-inch camp griddle and the 14-inch camp griddle with side burner. Both of the new camp griddles have cast aluminum tops with the most durable ceramic titanium coating. There's even a special toolkit for these with spatula, scraper, and the cutest little spill-proof oil and water bottles. They fold up into a handy suitcase style. As far as newer and better goes, these are my current favorite. They get over 500 degrees, upwards of 600 degrees in under 5 minutes. Just about completely windproof, so these are gonna be my go-to for camping this year. We have an insane storm moving in. The hammer's about ready to drop on this storm. Blackstone also has a brand new Adventure Ready portable camping air fryer. Runs off of propane and your choice of battery or electric. Even Blackstone 15-inch and 7-inch smokeless fire pits. You can see how windy it is. There's even a Blackstone coffee kit. If you're camping, you can grind your own coffee beans. The filter basket also fits all the Yeti coffee mugs, as well as the Blackstone coffee mug. That's just the tip of the iceberg, because we also have things like the Adventure Ready cleaning kit, and there's so much more, all the way down to little Adventure Ready collapsible griddle presses. The entire Adventure Ready line that I showed you here today is available at Walmart and walmart.com. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd, trying to stay dry. Praise the Lord and pass the food. Self-filming nightmare. Here comes the rain and the snow and the sleet. We're gonna take cover in the truck. I told you, this is what it's like in the Rocky Mountains. You gotta be kidding me.